Here's another day in my life as a New York City personal chef. So I sent out my knives to get sharpened, and then I headed to Whole Foods, did a little bit of grocery shopping, and then I got to my client's house. So I started off by cutting the onion. My face here is excitement from how well the knife cuts. Peeled some sweet potatoes, took a little seltzer water break, and put the sweet potatoes on a roasting tray. Also, I'm trimming some asparagus, the bottoms, drizzling with olive oil, seasoning with some salt, and the sweet potatoes get a little bit of a spicy mixture. Then I'm making southern style green beans, and I'm cutting my chicken breasts in half and pounding them so that they're thin and they cook evenly and quickly on both sides. One is seasoned regular, one is a jerk chicken marinade. Then I'm making a smoothie for the kiddos. It's just gonna be strawberries, bananas, spinach, a little bit of almond milk, and some ice. Super simple, easy for kids to love. Here are the roasted asparagus and a little bit of the sweet potatoes. I'm searing off that jerk chicken. I'm gonna put like a jerk barbecue sauce on it as well. This is the pan-seared chicken that's gonna pair with the sweet potatoes and the asparagus. Then I'm plating jerk chicken, southern style green beans, white rice, plated the lunch portions, and that's all for the day.